Hey cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the like button. And yeah, so basically, it's 1st October 2025, and we have only 3 months left in our hand. Whatever we want to do these 3 months, we have to like do as much as we can, because we also know कि these 9 months we have wasted our time. So these 3 months we need to do something. We have to just do it without thinking. Just do it, start doing it at least. Because what I feel in 2024 also, I have like started posting content and it's already 2025. Although I have like 1500 followers, but I have like learned a lot of things. Earlier I was not getting collaborations, but in 2025 I have got like a lot of collaborations. So I'm very grateful for all those things that has happened. Follower count though, it's just fine. Just be consistent, and these 3 months will be your best month of your life. If you start now, this is the peak time. It's 1st of October already. आज तो खत्म ही हो गया. Almost 89 days are left in your hand. Either you waste it or just do it. It depends on you. But the thing is, of course you don't want to be that people who will tell like at the end of December 2025 kids, 2025 was not the best year for me. Okay, I'll start doing hard work in 2026. Because we know those people, no, who used to procrastinate, who used to make excuses that they don't have time. We do have time, please. We do have time. Suppose someone goes to the school, college में जाती हूँ, and sometimes there are days when I have like classes from 8 to 5, but after 5 we are free only, no. Assignment करना है 2 घंटे, उसके बाद you just have to, you don't need a proper setup, anything. Open your camera, start speaking, post it. Don't wait for the best, perfect. I don't know what does perfect mean, because it doesn't exist. Even there's nothing that we call perfect until and unless you are perfect for yourself. Just do it. Start making a vision board for these 3 months at least. Start working on those things that you really want to become, that you want to be at the end of 2025. And I bet you will be proud if you start today. Like अभी बहुत सारे लोग सोच रहे हैं कि क्या करना है, and most of the people will think like, okay, it's already October, let's just start with the fresh 2026. But the thing is कि what भाई, अभी 3 months बचे हैं हमारे हाथ में. So if we want, we can do something. Of course it depends on luck too, but the thing is we can do more things too. I hope you get it. So sorry cuties, I got a call, तो मुझे बीच में ही pause करना पड़ा था. तो yeah, so we were talking about these 3 months, and it's enough to change yourself, to change your personality, to become like anyone. You have a visualization in your mind that you want to become like that person. You want to have these habits, and yeah, it's like more than enough. 90 days are more than enough. What I have realized कि there are times when I don't feel like, सबसे पहले तो there are times when you don't feel like doing it, but जैसे ही तुम start करते हो करना, and the moment you finish it, you feel so proud, so grateful that yeah, I did finish. Even though I didn't want to, I did finish. So yeah, like be disciplined so much, because we need discipline in our life. Discipline is one of the important key in our life, and it should be there. The thing is कि, let me be very straight to you, we have wasted our 9 months. I didn't waste it, I did like tried. making content, making everything. And I think, yeah, 2025 is pretty good for me actually. So yeah, suppose someone has wasted 9 months and it's already October now, we have like 3 more months left. It just depends on you whether you want to waste it or you want to achieve your goals, whatever you have. Like in January 1st, we all know कि जब भी न्यू ईयर आता है, even I made a vision board कि मुझे ये accomplish करना है by the end of 2025, and it's few things I have accomplished and few things are still left. But no worries, because I know कि मैं try कर रही हूँ. One day it will happen. I just need to be patient and I just need to keep working rather than being stopping and being blaming to others that it's not working, being blaming to universe that it's not happening in my control, because universe has given us a lot of things, a lot of opportunities. And the thing is कि अगर most of the people want कि आज वो start करें and कल उनको पैसा आने लगे, because we all know कि why am I doing this. सबसे पहले तो मुझे I wasn't that interested in all those things. 2020 मैंने टिकटॉक किया था, उसके बाद बैन कर दिया था, मैंने बंद कर दिया. उसके बाद आई डिडंट न्यू अबाउट इंस्टाग्राम, एंड मुझे ये भी नहीं पता था कि इंस्टाग्राम से हम पैसा वैसे कमाते हैं, कुछ ऐसा सीन. बट यूट्यूब का मुझे पता था कि हाँ ऐसा सीन होता है. बट बिकॉज उस टाइम बहुत सारा 10th-12th में थी तो बहुत चल रहे थे, सो आई वॉजंट बी एबल टू बी कंसिस्टेंट, सो आई स्टॉप डेट. एंड अभी तो 2024 में आई एम इन माई कॉलेज ईयर, तो आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू डू. एंड मुझे पता चला कि आई लव डूइंग कॉन्टेंट, आई लव मेकिंग कॉन्टेंट, एंड वॉट कुड बी मोर बेस्ट कि अगर मैं कोई चीज़ कर रही हूँ एंड उससे मुझे पैसा आ रहा है. बिकॉज वी ऑल नो मनी भाई, बट थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल वॉन्ट कि आज ही बनाए और कल से उनको पैसा आने लगे, विच इज़ नॉट ट्रू. इट डजंट वर्क लाइक दैट. यू हैव टू डू इट. There are a lot of people who have done it for 5 years, and but the thing is कि what I believe कि ठीक है, कोई अगर consistent है, डेली पोस्ट कर रहा है, तो of course they are going to see their result for sure. And there are people कि जैसे मुझे लगता है कि मैंने किया है, but the thing is कि still I'm not growing इतना, but that's fine. At least what I feel कि I am learning new things on daily basis, how to post. Abhi also I've got like a new light too, and today only I've got like creams, moisturizers, serum. So I am very grateful for all those things that I am getting, and I am genuinely very grateful. And I really want to tell you guys that if you also want to be achieve all those things, you want to make your parents proud, तो please just start bhai. There won't be any perfect time to start. This is the peak time. If you want to, this is the peak time. Stop thinking, because thinking won't help you to achieve any of these things. Just do it. If you do it, of course you're gonna get something. Of course, maybe discipline, because bhai, like I am not telling कि हाँ दिसंबर में you will be started earning lakhs, thousand, ये वो नहीं. But हाँ, by 2026, of course 2026 जैसे ही start होगा तो उस time a lot of people will start. They'll start making vision board जनवरी में, and तुम already कर चुके हो ये सब, तो just do it. Just do it. That's a genuine advice I can give you. Just do it. Stop thinking about others, क्योंकि मैं भी सोचती थी और मेरे घर वाले भी सोचते थे honestly. But the thing is कि the time I have started like getting कुछ पैसे, कुछ नहीं, ऐसे तो most of the time I get like barter collaboration, to be very honest. And 3-4-5 पेड मिले हैं मुझे 1000 2000 ऐसे करके, तो उसमें मुझे आया था। तो फर्स्ट आई जेन्युइनली वांटेड कि मैं अपना फर्स्ट अपने मम्मा के लिए कुछ लूँ, तो आई गॉट हर ड्रेस कुर्ती वगैरह, एंड या शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज दे व्हाट डू दे नीड, भाई उनको भी यही चाहिए कि उनके बच्चे इंडिपेंडेंट हो। एंड या शी ऑल्सो वॉन्ट कि मैं वॉट एवर आई फील्स लाइक आई कैन बाई, so yeah, I'm loving it and I'm genuinely very very grateful for all those things. I'm very proud कि मैंने 2025 में एटलीस्ट स्टार्ट किया, and of course I am going to give my 110% for these 3 months. I'm not going to waste it because I know the potential of social media. And yeah, like तो मैं आप लोगों को भी यही बोल रही हूँ कि लाइक स्टार्ट कर दो फॉर योर सेल्फ, फॉर योर पेरेंट्स एटलीस्ट, बिकॉज कोई हैप्पी नहीं होने वाला, नॉट योर फ्रेंड्स, नॉट योर बॉयफ्रेंड, नॉट योर गर्लफ्रेंड, नॉट योर रिलेटिव तो क्या ही हैप्पी होंगे। द मोमेंट यू विल स्टार्ट अर्निंग दे विल डाई, बट ऑफ कोर्स योर मॉम एंड डैड विल बी सो प्राउड ऑफ यू। अगर तुम्हें लाइक 200 भी मिल रहे हैं, 100 भी मिल रहे हैं, तो ऑफ कोर्स दे विल बी वेरी प्राउड कि एटलीस्ट शी हैज़ अर्न फ्रॉम हर ओन पोटेंशियल. So we all want this, right? So yeah, just start it. Like this is the perfect time. You should start it. I've said it like 100 times. Start it. And I'm also like, I will be also very happy if you guys start. अगर मेरी वीडियो से देख के you guys get some motivation to start, at least for your parents, mother, because mother, मम्मा के लिए स्टार्ट कर दो यार प्लीज, शी इज सो इनोसेंट. You are 19, 20, whatever age, just do it. जितना जल्दी करोगे उतना जल्दी आगे you will be more and more successful. You just have to open your camera the way I'm speaking, just come and talk whatever you feels like. And one more thing I'll tell you, तो शॉर्ट्स तो ठीक है, बट इफ़ यू गाइज वांट टू स्टार्ट यूट्यूब अभी, तो यू शुड स्टार्ट लाइक, बिकॉज सबसे ज़्यादा अर्निंग हमको लॉन्ग वीडियोस होती है. एंड मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ है कि मैंने जनवरी में स्टार्ट किया था, एंड अभी मेरे 500 फॉलोअर्स समथिंग है, शायद 470 समथिंग है, क्योंकि डिक्रीज़ होते रहता है, तो 470 है. एंड शॉर्ट्स तो डालो, बट द थिंग इज़ कि आई हैव रियलाइज वन थिंग कि लाइक एक शॉर्ट से मेरी लाइक 73 समथिंग कुछ व्यूज़ की थी, 73 के, तो उससे मुझे लाइक सब्सक्राइबर्स गेन हुए थे. बट द थिंग इज़ कि इफ़ यू वांट टू गेन वॉचर्स देन यू हैव टू पोस्ट लॉन्ग वीडियोस. एंड वन मोर थिंग कि मैं तो यही करती हूँ, तो शॉर्ट्स तो द रील्स दैट आई मेड फॉर माई इंस्टाग्राम, तो उसी को मैं डाउनलोड करके मैं यूट्यूब पे डालती हूँ, सो दैट एक्स्ट्रा मुझे कुछ और ना करना पड़े. बट फॉर लॉन्ग वीडियोस आई डू लाइक कुछ डे इन माई लाइफ, वॉट एवर यू फील, वॉट एवर योर नीश इज, पोस्ट इट. सो या, जस्ट पोस्ट it now. It's whether it's night, day, morning, I don't care, just post it whenever you're free. Just post it, at least post it 90 days के लिए daily post करो, and you will see the instant result for sure. Yes guys, before invest, just don't invest भाई. जो फ़ोन है Oppo, Redmi, Android, iPhone, just start posting it. Consistency matters, बहुत ज़्यादा मैटर करती है, बिकॉज एक दिन पोस्ट कर रहे हो 10 दिन गायब हो जाए, तो ऑफकोर्स योर एल्गोरिथम विल बी नेगेटिव. बट द थिंग इज़ कि यू हैव टू बी ओके. गाइज, दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो. आई एम गेटिंग अ कॉल, कुछ दिवाली का कोलैबोरेशन वाला आने वाला था, तो उसी का कॉल आ रहा है अमेजोन से. सो दैट्स फॉर द वीडियो. बाय बाय. जस्ट पोस्ट इट, प्लीज़ पोस्ट इट. बाय बाय क्यूटी.